Now, in this video, yan yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Kung paano ba mag-start sa freelancing kahit zero experience ka. Back in 2002, I was in the same position. Hindi ko alam kung paano ba mag-start sa freelancing kasi wala naman akong experience. And although I signed up for a course, hindi rin siya enough, you know. So marami ka talagang pagdadaanan. But you will learn along the way. So in this video, I would share with you guys kung ano yung mga importanteng steps na kailangan nyong malaman for you to get started. From my experience, from my 2 years of experience as a freelancer, I figured out kung ano ba talaga yung kailangan para makahanap kayo ng client. Kasi sasabihin ng iba, kailangan mo ng skills, kailangan mong mag-learn ng